2024 walking tour of the entire ship, the Norwegian Encore. We're gonna start at deck 6 and make our way up since the party starts on deck 6. So let's go. Now we're going up on deck 7. The two staircases started at one end, went to the other end. This is the Manhattan room. This is one of the dinners that was included. You don't pay extra for it. Going into the casino.
I gave them some.
Oh my god, thank you! Thank you! Jeremy said he loves my YouTube as I'm filming for YouTube! Alright. So on this side, just casino options. We got a little stage here. great. Or this may be a Norwegian Encore thing, but they've been amazing about keeping ice water available at all times. Okay. Okay, a little arcade. And this is just another entrance to the local. We came from the other way. But we're gonna go up the stairs. Okay, now we're going up to 8.
It's okay.
Now we're on the 8th deck. This is called the Cavern. Area. Down there and around. I don't think there's anything down here. It's just all like the regular ships, little shops and stuff. I don't know who's actually buying jewelry and artwork. But it's an option. And more restaurants. These are the kinds of ones that you need reservations for. Okay, so we're on 8. I'm pretty sure 8 or 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think that those are all just staterooms. I don't remember going to any sets on any of those floors. Like everything pretty much happened on the 6th, 7th, and 8th floors. So I'm gonna skip all the way up to the 16th. Okay. We're back on track. We're on floor 16. The direction I was going, I couldn't get to 15. So we're gonna go through 16, this is the top level, and then 15 will be the last one we stop on. So for the people that like to gym, you can gym, and there's actually a lot of people that actually work out. Good job, Groove Cruisers. So this is 16, the main pool deck. You can hear the music. now, so I can't go up there. We're on NCL. On 17 right now, so the Haven is a very exclusive part, very expensive. They have their own pool, their own bar, restaurant, all the things. So now we're going back to 16.
No, should be 3 crystal, my friend.
And if I go through these doors, it takes us back to the pool deck. Okay, so this is floor 15. It's only rooms and then this observation lounge, which is really quiet. This is what they call the oasis. Like, you can come here to escape all the noise. It's really dark and calm and quiet. They have really big, nice, comfy couches. Hi. And then during the day, this is filled with food. There's people in here sleeping. A safe space for group cruisers.
And you? You're from Detroit?
Yes.
Yeah.
I love it. Yeah.
Yeah, I was.
And tomorrow we're going to win that game. We're going to go to the Super
There's a
Bowl.
bar
and
back
that's
here.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, no.
Oh my god!
But we're going to win tomorrow.
I
We're
see
never
this-
going to Super Bowl.
I see this man.
Yeah,
he's
you
been
see
He's been stalking me this whole time.
I
Okay, we're gonna keep walking. Just go.
let us go first. I got
Just go. Yeah, you're fine.
Just put it away from his own.
I want to know what he thinks you're going to do with this footage, and
No,
that's what I'm.
This is
concerned
it's a walking tour of the
I'm
ship.
very low key.
I was
so-
saying that you. Okay, we're gonna let her go. I was saying you and I could have gotten out of the way so she could have her walking tour and not have issues. Because we both have to go say thanks.
Okay. So this is the whatchamacallit? Observation lounge. And then this is where the tattoo shop is. I think this is the first time Groove Cruise ever had a tattoo shop on board. They're expensive though. So no quiero. Okay, so this is row 15. We're gonna go back up to 16 now and see the buffet. Alyssa's supposed to be up there, so let's go find her. So when I came out the pool deck, I went down these stairs and I'm going back up to level 16, which has the pool deck, which is that way. And we're gonna go into the garden cafe. It's pretty chill right now. So there's a bar in here. This is open every single day. I mean, duh, every single day, all hours of the day. But they do limit their menu depending on which time of day. There's lots of places to sit. There's food down here. They're really closing up, so there's really nothing that way. Let's look at some of the options though. We got the desserts over here. Alyssa's in the cafe. And it's just a lot of the same stuff, just over and over and over again. In 20 years of Groove Cruise. Let's go see Alyssa.
Coffee to stay up.
And that is the walking tour of Groove Cruise 2024. We're not going to be on the ship next year, so enjoy.